Tom, what's in your pocket?
Let me see. I have my phone,
What else?
my keys,
Anything else?
a pen,
Perfect. These are common objects.
and that's our topic today.
Today we're talking about objects around you.
Things you see and use every day.
This vocabulary is so useful.
You'll need these words all the time.
Let's begin.
So, Lucy, let's start in the morning.
Good idea.
What objects do we use when we wake up?
Let me think. First, we turn off the alarm clock,
That's right.
or we check our phone.
Most people use their phone as an alarm now.
True, then we get out of bed.
The bed. That's an important object.
We also need a pillow.
And a blanket or duvet.
These keep us warm.
Very important objects.
What do we do next?
We go to the bathroom.
Yes, let's talk about bathroom objects.
We need a toothbrush.
And toothpaste.
We wash our face with soap.
And we use a towel to dry.
These are essential items.
Everyone uses these every day.
I had a student called Jasmine from Lebanon.
What happened with Jasmine?
She was staying in a hotel.
Okay.
She needed a towel.
Did she know the word?
No. She said the cloth for drying.
Oh, that's creative.
The receptionist understood.
But now she knows towel.
Exactly. She learned the word.
That's how we improve.
So true.
Now, let's move to the kitchen.
The kitchen has many objects.
What do we use to make breakfast?
We need a cup for coffee or tea,
A glass for water or juice.
a plate for food,
Don't forget the knife and fork.
and a spoon.
These are called cutlery.
Very useful word.
We also need a fridge.
To keep food cold.
And an oven or microwave.
To heat food.
What about cooking?
We use a pan or pot.
A kettle for boiling water.
These are kitchen essentials.
My student Rafael from Brazil had a funny story.
Tell me.
He was shopping for kitchen things.
Okay.
He wanted to buy a kettle.
Did he know the word?
No, he said the thing that makes water hot.
That's a good description.
The shop assistant showed him kettles,
Communication worked.
even without the exact word.
That's wonderful.
But learning the correct words helps more.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about the living room.
Good idea.
What objects are in a living room?
Let me see. A sofa or couch.
A table,
A lamp for light.
a television or TV,
Maybe a bookshelf.
with books
Perhaps a rug on the floor.
and curtains on the windows.
These make a room comfortable.
What about a remote control?
Oh, yes, for the TV.
That's important.
We also have cushions on the sofa.
For comfort.
All of these are common objects.
You see them every day.
Let's talk about objects we carry.
Like in your bag or pocket.
Exactly.
Well, everyone has a phone nowadays.
That's number one.
We carry keys,
To open doors.
a wallet or purse,
For money and cards.
maybe a bottle of water.
To stay hydrated.
Some people carry a notebook
And a pen or pencil.
to write things down.
I had a student named Natasha from Russia.
What's her story?
She lost her wallet.
Oh no,
She needed to report it.
that's stressful.
She knew the word wallet.
That helped.
She could explain clearly what she lost,
Knowing object names is so useful.
especially in emergencies.
I agree completely.
Tom, what about office or desk objects?
Good question.
Many people work at a desk.
Right, so we need a computer or laptop,
A mouse and keyboard.
maybe a monitor or screen.
We use paper for printing.
And we need pens and pencils,
A stapler to attach papers.
scissors to cut things,
Maybe some tape.
for sticking things,
And a desk lamp.
for good light.
These objects help us work.
Very practical vocabulary.
My friend Isabella from Mexico works in an office.
Does she use these words?
Every single day.
I can imagine.
She says knowing object names makes work easier.
Communication is clearer.
Exactly.
So everyone, learning these words is important.
You use these objects every day.
Look around you right now.
What objects can you see?
Try to name them in English.
If you don't know a word,
Look it up.
or ask someone,
Then practice using the word.
say it out loud.
Use it in a sentence.
The more you practice, the better you remember.
That's the key.
Start with objects in one room.
Learn 5 words today.
5 more tomorrow.
In 1 week, you'll know 35 new words.
That's amazing progress.
And these are useful words,
You'll use them all the time.
not just for exams.
For real life.
That's what matters most. Let's review some important objects.
Great idea.
In the bedroom, bed, pillow, blanket.
In the bedroom, bed, pillow, blanket.
In the bathroom, toothbrush, toothpaste, towel.
In the bathroom, toothbrush, toothpaste, towel.
In the kitchen, cup, plate, knife, fork, spoon.
In the kitchen, cup, plate, knife, fork, spoon.
In the living room, sofa, table, lamp, TV.
In the living room, sofa, table, lamp, TV.
Things we carry, phone, keys, wallet.
Things we carry, phone, keys, wallet.
At the desk, computer, pen, paper.
At the desk, computer, pen, paper.
Wonderful vocabulary.
Use these words every day. Great job today.
You did so well.
Look around your room now.
Practice naming objects in English.
Learn 5 new words this week.
You'll be amazed at your progress.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.